Welcome to the succulent home. Today I'm going to do a real quick potting video of this Topsy Turvy. My Topsy Turvy used to be luscious and big. If you watched, oh my poor baby, if you watched the video that I had with me doing my summer beach kind of succulent arrangement, you would see the difference between then and now. It just hasn't blossomed in there. If anything, it's kind of not, it's kind of stunted its growth. It looks like it shrank a lot. And I was hoping that by now, since summertime, and now it's summertime of 2018 to now, I would have hoped for it to just been a little bit more bigger, if not even multiplied, and it hasn't. So you see that it has a lot of roots. The root systems are really good. It is dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pot it by itself in this terracotta pot and see what happens as far as the growth of it. Oh, I see some mealybugs. Ay, ay, ay. Look at that. Do you see that? Just got that off. I see another one right here, like a little, I don't see a mealybug crawling, but that's what mealybugs do. So that's not good. So I'm gonna have to treat this as well. I'm gonna have to treat it as well. So I'm just going to get some more soil, put it in here. I'm going to go ahead and just dig a hole around it. Go. I feel like if it's by itself, it might flourish a little bit more than what it was when it was in the arrangement, and see if I cannot bring this back to its original beauty, if not even more. And then I'll see how it goes. Lola, I'm gonna go ahead and just see how it goes. Anyways, it's my dog barking. She barks at everything. You can see it has a little bit of some sun damage right here. This is either sun damage right here at the tip, and this was when like water like stayed on it. Can you see that? And then it didn't get brushed off or anything. So this is what you call a topsy-turvy. Now, if I'm completely wrong, then dude, give me a reality check in the comments. But I really believe this is called a topsy-turvy. So let's just keep an eye on this and see what happens. Give me some tips on topsy-turvy, so it'll help let me know how to take care of this girl right here, because I really want her to flourish. So that's my potting real quick video on the Topsy Turvy. Hopefully I could get some good information from you guys. Did I do the right thing by putting it in its individual pot? Well, God bless. Until the next video, bye.